Good morning, traders. Welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth. And today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? Hopefully you're feeling good and ready for a day of trading today. Looks like we do have probably some volatility coming out today with Trump being over in China. And looks like the oil prices have come down just a bit and prices have shot up overnight on the NQ. Right now we are seeing a little bit of a pullback on both the NQ and the ES. Right now we are bouncing off a liquidity level. Didn't quite sweep it, but we are bouncing from this level here. Now if we do find support here, let's see, we will look for much higher. This was a level I had on my charts here, but I was looking to sweep this level first, but you just never know with the NQ. You just never know where. So we'll keep our eyes peeled on that. ES here has been very, very clean overnight. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ES first today. And ES took out a lot of major levels on the 30 minute. Also took out levels. It took out these levels on the 30 minute from back here over around 74.95. Right now she has a 5-minute level up at 75.01. Another 30-minute level at 75.06. And just they just keep going. 75.15 up to the upside, up at 75.16. And then we've got some liquidity levels down here or possible invalidation levels down here at the 74, 76s and down. So we'll see. The market looks like it does possibly want to continue heading higher. But right now we are putting in a trapped long indication right now on the 30-minute, which is not very bullish for the markets. Not very bullish at all. And we'll keep our eyes on the ES and the NQ. But right now, not looking too good. Let's go ahead and look at the NQ and see what she's printing. Let's go ahead and start with the 30-minute first. Okay, we do have that 30-minute trap long indication from yesterday, from last night at 9 p.m. And so far since then, we've been kind of moving down. So I would not be surprised if we do break this level here and then continue maybe to hit this level at 29. But there's an even better level down here that I was looking at, which is all the way down in this area here around 28,900 that I had my eye on since yesterday. If we break back into this zone here and start closing some really bearish indications under this 29,440s, we probably will head down to this 28,900 level that I've been looking at since yesterday. So keep our eyes on that as well. Not the most bullish indications right now in the market, guys, even though we have been relentlessly moving higher. The last couple of weeks has just been like every dip has been a buying opportunity. So maybe today will be the same, but we'll keep our eyes on it. Guys, I'll be right back. I got to grab something. Ulcer? I don't know what I got. Here. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets here. But before we do that, let me say good morning to the crew. Morning, Piper Jane. What's going on? Joey's in the house. What's up, brother? How's work, man? How's work treating you? Alex been geeking is here. What's going on, brother? Alex, am I Unk now? Wow, dude. I'm Unk status. What's up, Legal Draft? We got Rafael Garcia in the house as well. Thank you guys for being here. We got... Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button early today. Trying to get to 100 likes today. We'll do a giveaway. And same goes to everybody watching across the other streams. Kick, Twitch, TikTok. You guys could give it a thumbs up or whatever you do on your platform there. Just give us some love, show us some love. We will do a giveaway today if we can get some likes here on YouTube. All right, let me, markets opening up in 4 minutes. Let's see if we can take a quick look at the mags, NVIDIA. Let's see if we can open up the extended trading hours, see what the mags are doing. Mags look like they still have some upside left. Maybe we get a reversal here at some point soon. Yeah, hold on, guys. Okay, NVIDIA's not looking that hot. NVIDIA looks like it may want to take a tumble down here to about 228. Bitcoin, I did get out of my Bitcoin long yesterday. I'm waiting for maybe a move into this area here around 78 or 77 and change. We'll see. We'll see. If this turns into a trap short indication, I'll probably go short down to about 76. We'll see. That's on the 4 hour. Volatility right now, just kind of going sideways. Nothing really to see there. Oil has also been declining a little bit. Oil looks like it probably will continue to shoot down to 99. And if that's the case, we might see a pop in the move on the indices right back up. For you gold traders out there, right now gold is a chop fest. I'd stay away from it. It's just does not look good. Focus our attention on the NQ here, opening up in just 1 minute. What's up? All right, guys, markets are 1 minute and 25 seconds away from opening. Let's go ahead and see if I can get my charts ready. Could get a pop here on the open. Looks like we might have trapped some shorts on the 5 minute. Looks like we could have trapped some shorts here. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks like we might get a move higher. Would not be surprised one bit if that's what we end up getting. I want to get the volume profile up over here on my Tradeday charts. Let's see if we can get this open. Looking quite bearish right now. Markets are open now. Cool. Yeah, what happened to my volume profile? Where'd he go? Oh, it goes away. That's not cool. Starting to see that strong move here. Nice strong move here at the open, guys. Looks like they might be reaching here for the VWAP, maybe the daily open on the NQ. All right, if they do make this their base here, it looks like our targets are going to be up here in 29,700s, just quite a way. Quite a way to go. Yeah, it looks like they're respecting this red line here at 29,445. What's up, Kamal? Good morning. Dropped to 430, says Gordo. Yeah, we didn't take out 430. Not yet, at least. We did not take it out. We opened up at the overnight low. Put your brackets at 30 and 2, okay? Volatility is climbing again. Guys, we're approaching that VWAP real quickly here. Very quickly. We make ourselves back into this above the daily open, and we could shoot up a lot further. I'm looking for those 700s possibly. If we do get a good indication here at some point. Looks like they might. Nice move here on the open. We did have the trap short indication down here earlier. We did have a lot of them. I told you they come in threes a lot of times. And then we did have the triple indication of the trap shorts right there. If we can maintain a stay above the daily open, we should push higher. Yeah, look at the ES right now. ES is looking real nice. Looks like she wants to move up here at the next close of this candle. ES is above its VWAP. NQ is still a little bit sluggish here below it. Well, actually right on it now, but she was below it. Market's off to the races today. I took a long at 260, says Jay, right? Past the combine again. Nice. 29,460 is your target. Oh, you mean 460 is where you went long. Nice. What's going on, Patty? Patty's in TikTok, right? Yeah. Joella says hi, Patty. Wow. Yeah, that was a great move. No pullback? No pullback, huh? Just checking. Just checking. 100 points up already. 112 points up already. Looks like longs are gonna be the move here for now. Look for a pullback, hopefully, if we get one. Usually we do get something here around the VWAP area. If the VWAP doesn't hold, we could come back to test the I think it's possible to test the 480s maybe. Yeah, we could go as long as 480s. We do have a cluster of delta, big delta around there. Maybe even sweep the overnight low again, or sweep the overnight low for the first time. If not, then we're just gonna go straight up. It's probably more likely event to just go straight to the moon. All right, guys, looking for something here, but nothing yet. So we'll probably have continuation here. Markets tried to push here, and sellers tried to push here, and then they really couldn't do much. Buyer stepped in, giving us a good move. even higher. Gonna remain patient for a setup. This ain't the one. This ain't the setup. My setup would look something like it would have a MOAS, a power long or power short. It would have more likely right now it's going to be a MOAS to the upside, power long. And then after that, I want to look for some trap shorts. Keep it simple. Mm-hmm. 472 is previous day's POC, says Joey. 563 is previous day's value area high. I feel like it's a trap, says Dr. DJ. 472, huh? I feel like we're at a value area high now. Yeah, we'll probably get a pullback here once the ES hits 7,500. That's what I'm thinking. The ES was really thirsting for this move right here. Should have went long with the ES when we got this signal, but didn't want to risk it. All right, we're already starting our buffering on YouTube. Great. Okay. Looks like mags are pulling back. Yeah, Mag 7 are pulling back. That's weird. Nvidia's shot up. This could be a fake breakout though. We could see a move right back. Keep our eyes on Bitcoin as well. Oil is also attempting to go higher. So we'll see who's lying here. Yeah, guys, sorry about the buffering over. I don't know what to do anymore with this stream. It's chopping. I don't know why. YouTube. Yeah, again, I don't know why. No idea. The upload speed is garbage. I don't know who we gotta call, but the upload speed is 21. It's 21 on the upload speed. Okay. It just came back, but it keeps telling me an error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Yeah, this thing's going straight up, man. I hate when the markets do this. Because it's too late. The time to go in there was at 9:30 on the open. The all-time high? Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's YouTube, says ANG like. Yeah, because it's only YouTube. It's not Kick, it's not Twitch, it's not TikTok. This is ridiculous. Maybe 30,000 today? Yeah, 30,000 today could be. How do you see the diamonds on the indicator? You just got to go into your settings and turn on the diamonds. Please make sure to watch your video, the explainer video on how to do all your settings. Just go here to where it says display and go to diamonds. And then you'll have the diamonds. And then you can choose whether you want them on the bottom or on the top. Yeah, congrats to anybody who took the longs here. This is really aggressively strong this morning. Probably almost like, what, 200 points to the upside already? Yeah, 218 points. Wow. Yeah, it's a supporting indicator legal. It's not on the main indicator. Sellers are fighting. It says the indoor prints. Yeah, sellers are not really getting anywhere right now. Yeah, I'm a little bit I am a little bit pissed off right now that I didn't catch this long on the open. I should have trusted my gut here telling me these trap shorts were going to get demolished here on the open. But instead I didn't. I just want to be patient, give it some time. And it went straight to the moon on this move. And it has not pulled back since. It's crazy. I was hoping to get a little sweep of this area too, but we didn't. We did not get a sweep. Market is really overextended right now. Yeah, we got 7,500 on the ES, so a pullback now it would be expected. $693 would be that overnight high. Let's see if they can grab that first. Yeah, the ES is looking a lot stronger today than the NQ. Super strong, the ES. Looking like it wants to really go. You think a pullback is coming from 680? Yeah. Not very likely right now. What? We just missed that overnight high at 693, 694. Sometimes they do that, have a nasty pullback, and then they go and they hit it. So maybe we'll get an opportunity to go long at some point. ES is putting in a trap long signal here in the next 45 seconds. If it gets its way, could have a pullback to the VWAP. Yeah, pullbacks look like non-existent right now. So still chopping the same area. All right, we are getting a little push now. Spoke too soon. Spoke a little too soon here, but 7,500 was tapped on the ES, so it looks like they are taking profits now. A lot of profit taking, I'm sure. You're waiting for a pullback to the VWAP and then failure to go short again? You're short right now, Gordo? Saudi Arabia floats Middle Eastern non-aggression pact with Iran. Wow. Let's see if we can find something here soon. Looking for a possible move back to the VWAP. Let's see if that happens. You got 60 points on the pullback from 680 to 620. Really? Was it that big already? Was it that much of a pullback? Yeah, I guess it was. Doesn't look like it, but the ATRs are 30 right now. Let's pull back. Big strength here. If this candle ends up closing green with positive delta, I'm going to take the long and try some of those targets up around the 750s. If we get a power short, then we're going to be patient and wait. It's not shaping up to be a pop yet. This might be a bit of a continuation. Pac Jaw says, is this Joe Mastianich from Master Chief? Is that a Halo reference? I want 625, says Samby, to hit my sell order for more downside. Okay. Open 550 because it will waterfall, says Gordo. Whale at 552, bull trap in my opinion this morning. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, the pot did not show up. 15 minute. Yep. Not the 540 on that move. More downside, Samby? Yeah, looks like it. 21 EMA test now. Thought we already had the 21 EMA. Babe, might get ready for a long soon, okay? This thing is massive. All right, do this. Take off your brackets. Take them off. Okay, go with one. And we're gonna buy this. Yeah, one and off, okay? Because I'm feeling it's gonna have a pullback. All right, 10 seconds. We're gonna go long, okay? All right, go long. I'm long right now, guys. I'm gonna search for 740, 740 would be our TP. I think we could have pullbacks before then, but 740 would be the TP. Put your TP at 740 then, so one. All right, we're getting that pullback now that I was expecting. Let's see what happens here. No stop right now, right? Okay, good. No stop, because we might add another one. TP 740. No stop loss yet. I think if we get a sweep here at 520, I'm gonna add another or lower. Buyers are still getting strength here. Possible little bit of a trap sequence here. We'll see. Buyers are still strong here. Delta's looking good. Buyers are still strong. All right, hoping to break away from this chop here at the VWAP and see if we can get a push higher like the ES is doing right now. Reason why I went in with only one contract right now is because the initial bounce from here was very strong. So it left a very big stop loss area. So when they do this, a lot of times they come back, clean some of this up before going higher. So if we do come down here and we start putting in some more trap short indications. Even if we sweep here, I'd like to add into it at that point. Now we could end up dumping instead, but you know, if that happens, then you know, we'll close it out. Just the risk I'm taking here. Yeah, looks like the ES is getting some trapped longs again. ES is getting some trapped longs. We're getting some real heavy sell pressure here. We may add one here, okay?
Huh?
We may add one here, I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, it's getting heavy, man. Let's see what happens here on the 1 minute. I think I'm outside of this thing. Get ready to close it if I tell you, okay? Yes, looking strong here. The buyers are still defending. Let's see what takes over this candle. Get ready to close it if I tell you, okay? Okay, we may add one here, okay? Buy one. Okay, now we got 2, so put both stops under at 525, okay? If we got stopped here, it's just not meant to be. You're in with 2? You're in with 2, right?
Yeah.
And you got both stops at 525?
Yeah.
Okay. Bless you. 740, yeah. Put another one at 689. If we get these will be good hits. If not, we'll get stopped here. We'll try for something else. All right, right now I got 2 on, guys. One is at 736 and one is at 685. If we end up getting this trade here, this will be our probably one and only for the day, because it'll pay us nicely if we get it. ES is going to try to break the 7,500 level once more. Buyers are taking control of the market once again. So buyers can continue to push at least up to the overnight high here at 690. Let's see if the NQ can play some catch up here to the ES. Back at the VWAP, we need the buyers to get some strength here. Yeah, buyers are absorbing a bit. Maybe we can put in a high volume candle hopefully soon. All right, nice. Buyers absorbing big time, pushing nicely. Excuse me. Good push here with the buyers on the NQ. ES is going to try to break that 7,500 psychological level once more. If we could see 7,507, which is a 30-minute level that we've been looking at. News crew in Beijing got ticketed by CCP surveillance cameras after illegally parking for just 2 minutes. China has cameras all over the place. Not very informed. Longs look good here, says Gordo. Might reach at 620 for a possible drop against this MB. All right, we broke out through 7,500 on the ES. Looking really, really good. Let's look at the mags real quick. Mags look like they want to go as well. Nice. NVIDIA looking strong. NVIDIA looking pretty strong here. Pull back coming. ES is still trying. ES has not slowed down one bit here. Damn, ES is super, super strong, guys. ES just does not want to stop. Looks like it wants that 7507 level next. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Damn, ES is on fire. ES is literally on fire. We got a 7516 level next if it keeps going. ES taking all types of levels. My internet, bro. My internet. Sorry for the internet glitches, guys, on here on YouTube. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on, but not right now. These internet glitches are really getting on my nerves. ES says I didn't hear no bell. It keeps going. 7507 taken. Will she keep going here? Will the NQ catch up? Stay tuned to find out. NQ's got a little unfinished business up here at 680. Buyers are still strong. ES is slowing up just a little bit because it's ahead of the game. 1 minute still showing strength. Good, good, good. Keep going, NQ. Keep going, girl. Babe, if you get your TP hit soon, close one of your stop losses and move the other stop loss to break even, okay? Come on, NQ, we need you at 680. We need you at 680. Let's go. Keep pushing, girl. Keep pushing. Just a little bit more. ES is stalling out here. NQ needs to push just a little bit more to grab that overnight high. Thirsting for that liquidity. Babe, take one off. Sell one. Alright, let's sell one because I don't like what you're trying to do right now. Okay. Okay. Take out the one at 68. 688, yeah, take that one off. And leave the other one for 740. Don't move your stop loss yet, okay? Yeah, 525. Man, they're really having a pullback here at 75.07 on the ES. NQ just missing that 680 level. Yeah. VWAP tap again. Damn. Looks like we're gonna get a VWAP tap again. As a matter of fact, move your other one to break even. You're at 70. What's your break even at? 75? All right, move it to there. because we're not going to take a loss on this trade. Sellers are getting stronger here. Yeah, so we're probably going to get a pull back to the VWAP, maybe even lower. Who knows? Get stopped at 75 probably, or 72. NQ could be a bastard sometimes. Yeah, all she cared about was the ES hitting 75.07. That's all she cared about. Her overnight high up here at 690, still not tapped, but still waiting for it. Buyer stepping back in on this candle here. Looking pretty good. See if they can keep going, or if they're going to come back to tap that VWAP, which I think they really want to do. I don't think we're off the hook that easy just yet. She definitely doesn't do it like that. Okay, she's starting to get some strength back in. You'd like a move down to 500? Yeah. The SQQQ just had a power short. SQQQ looks like it's got a long signal right now too, which is good. Looking like we're clearing the path to the upside again. Hopefully. $15 just printed a target to the upside at around 710. I think we can go as high as 740. But maybe the NQ is not done manipulating just yet. Looks like she's not. Damn, not looking good here on the ES. Babe, get ready to close the whole thing if I tell you, okay? Yeah, ES is looking real heavy. $30, we will close a 5-minute candle, hopefully with a power long signal. It looks pretty good right now. 20 seconds to go. We got to maintain this candle green. If not, we'll be in trouble on the 5-minute. 15 seconds to go. All right, good. She's looking pretty nice. 5 seconds to go here. Good delta on the 5. Looks like we're going to get that power long after all. And we got it. It's a MOAS power long at that. Okay, that's good. That's good. It doesn't mean it has to go straight up right away, but it is definitely a better signal than being short. $10.30 right now, and we're getting a lot of sideways action. Hoping the markets do have a push here up to the 740s on the NQ. ES looking a little bit weaker than the ES. The ES looking a little weaker than the NQ right now. Let's see if the NQ can start to push and rally past the 680s. Keep going, girl. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. All right, buyers are stepping back in, looking good. If we can break that overnight high on this move here to 680, then we should be able to get 740. Longs look strong still. Holding long, says Gordo. 725 target. Okay, I got a 740 target. We'll see which one hits. Today's PA is a gamble, says Con. I think every day's a gamble. There's nothing promised in the NQ. Oh, we might get a MOAS power long here. That would be a thing of beauty. All right, well, she worked it out. ES already making new highs. NQ soon to follow. This trade is protected, so I'm happy about that. Our stop is at 575. Risking 270 here to make $6,000. I'm just kidding. How you guys making out over there on TikTok? You guys in a trade? Got a lot of spammers over on TikTok. That's one thing's for sure. I thought Kick was bad. TikTok's a whole nother level. Come on in Q, let's go. Let's break that first level, baby. Bitcoin's actually trying to push right now, trying to rally. 30K is possible, says Gordo. Good morning, Code Red. How are you? I'm back with you. Oh man, I'm glad to see you in here. It's been a while. Thanks, Con. How do I set this stream bookmarked sort of to remind me? Stumbled accidentally. Don, all you got to do is when you're watching the stream, go to up here where it says it would say join. No, not join. It would say subscribe, and then under subscribe, it'll say notification bell. Okay, after you hit subscribe, click it again where it says subscribe, and then you'll see notification bell. And then that'll alert you every time we go live. We stream daily, yeah, 9 o'clock, 9:15, around 9:15 I start, and then I end. Some days around 12, some days around 2:30, depending on the day. I'm trying to get a lot of other work done around streaming, but it's not easy, especially when you have, you know, kids and a family and a wife and things to do around the house. 40 acres and a mule, you know, all that stuff. So there's a lot of other stuff we got to do here for the stream. I mean, for the community besides just the stream. Since right now I'm only one person, hopefully in the future I will have some help and be able to spend more time streaming with you guys. But a lot of bad stuff happens after 12 o'clock. That I have noticed that. So that's why I try to just stream to 12. That way I don't get tempted to continue trading. And if I do continue trading after 12, it'll be an eval. See if we get this little push here. We need this one more little push here up to break the overnight highs. Thanks, Posh, for joining. Up 1144 with 3 micros, says Dre. Wow, Dre. My TP is at 736, 740 in that area. Thanks, Rooster. I appreciate that. Some good news from Trump in China can be the catalyst today. Yeah, it could be, right? We could get a good Trump. Trump had a good fortune cookie in China. It says, you live long time, make many deal. That's what the fortune cookie says for Trump in China. Do they have fortune cookies in China, or is that just an American Chinese thing? Yeah, if we can break this overnight high here, I think we can go flying. The ES is just ripping, guys. Ripping, ripping, ripping. It just will not stop. We need the NQ to jump in here. Thanks, NG. I appreciate that. UMB says he's laughing. What's going on, T Massive? She tells US CEOs China will open up more on CNN. Yeah, well, Elon Musk is already in China, so he's and so is Nvidia. I mean, Nvidia. I mean, the guy is Chinese. The CEO is Chinese from Nvidia. They probably have like, you know, biscuits and tea together, or whatever they, you know, have over there in China. Come on, are you gonna tell me you're not gonna take the high again? Are you gonna miss the high again? My lord, my Lanta. Trump shouldn't upset Elon ever again. Yeah, they got a love-hate relationship, them two. Wow, look at our power long MOAS right there. It's gonna go up to 750 if we can get this move. Wow, if this confirms here in the next 7 seconds, we got a really bullish indication here on our hands up to 750. That'll be something. All right, we got it. Oh no, we didn't. It almost got it. We may have a trap short indication though. Trap short indication is probably just as good. Would have preferred the MOAS power long to confirm that level up to 750, but almost had it. Almost had it there. This trap short indication is not bad though. As long as it's not a trap long. Oh man, they're having a lot of choppiness up here. S&P might hit 7,500. Trump took your Chinese to China? Yeah, he took the Chinese guy with him. Thank God he took that little Chinese guy with him. Because if he was here, he'd be ratting me out right now. Or maybe he is. I don't know. Maybe he left like a substitute Chinese guy. I heard those substitute Chinese guys are even worse. Wow, we're getting another one now. Another MOAS power long. Up to possibly 800. 790. Let's see how this candle closes. You go now. Come on, NQ, push, baby. All right, Delta's getting stronger here. ES is hitting all my levels here. Just unbelievable strength in the ES right now. Another ride to the sky, 608. Oh, you're in at 608. Good for you. Good for you. All right, this is going to close here as a MOAS power long in the next 2 seconds. So this is looking great. Let's see if we can continue with the momentum. I was a little salty this morning that I missed the first move up, but the second leg is okay too. It's okay. Come on, NQ, keep pushing, baby. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Took out that overnight high. Let's see if we continue pushing a little more. When I'm not in the trade, she skyrockets and goes fast. When I'm in it, sometimes she takes her time. Takes her time. Sweet old time. Delta's still looking good though for the buyers, so I'll continue holding on. I'll keep holding on like the song says. Come on, NQ, keep going, baby. What's my target on the ES? I'm not in an ES trade, but all the targets are met already on the ES, to be honest with you. Next one after this is 75.32. you know, it's wild. Pretty wild right now. Difference between PL continuation, it's how long and it's short. It's usually a pivot. It's what they measure. I know it's usually a pivot. A PL is more of a continuation, or a PS. They're continuations, and TLs and TSs are trap longs and trap shorts. Those are pivots usually. Where can I find the cheat sheet for the latest update? Just go to our Discord, and in our Discord, you're gonna see the Smooth Trader Concepts channel in our Discord, and you'll see the latest cheat sheet that has the trap longs and trap shorts play by play in here. So if you guys want to see this, just go over to our Discord and you can get a copy. Or if you get the indicator. It also comes with the indicator. We also have a whole training program, trading course, or whatever you would call it, for you guys that want to learn how to trade with the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. See if we can continue getting continuation here to the upside. Please, thank you. Please, thank you. Just go already. Thank you. I know where you want to go. All right, she's still looking pretty good. ES starting to look like she want to trap. NQ making a little sneaky way up there, hopefully. What's up, Darlock? What's the play right now? I'm holding this long to 740. That's my play right now. Blart says he's waiting for shorts and he respects MB for his discipline. Key gamma level is 75.26. Okay. Nice. What does do not chase, at least. At very least, wait for a pullback. Yes, very good. Very good advice. See if we can get a little more push here. 740. Come on, NQ. All right, we're in the 700s now. That's nice. Little more, little more. Come on, baby. We got 715, 717, 720, 730. Can we get 740 here? Come on, NQ. Don't do me dirty, baby. Don't do me dirty like you always do. Just go already. She's like, nah, I'll do you dirty. I'll do you dirty one more time just for old time's sake. The little Chinese guy must be here somewhere. Little Chinese guys around here somewhere. You're gonna send a little Chinese dog to laugh at me. Haven't seen a little Chinese dog laugh at me in a while. He'll probably laugh at me today. The little Chinese dog is gonna come out and laugh at me, babe. Come on, 740. Come on, 740. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push. 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 Push and Q. Come on, baby. Come on, you got a little bit more in you. We know you got a little more. Come on, NQ. I'm trying to squeeze every last drop out of her, but she's not listening. All right, take it, babe. Let's pay ourselves. Take it. Let's just pay ourselves. All right, cool. All right, I'm done. You're up, what, 340, 350? Nice, baby. Good job. You were copy trading that?
Huh?
You were copy trading it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Move my stop? Nah, man. Guys, do me a favor. Please don't tell me how to trade. I mean, I love you guys all, but I don't tell you guys how to trade. Don't tell me how to trade. I love you guys, and thank you for the comment about, move my stop and all that. But guys, I've been trading for almost 6 years now, and I know what a stop is, and I know what a stop does, and I know when I should move it. But thank you anyway. I love you all. 26 what? Oh, that's good. You only need about 400 more. I think we might have qualified for a payout on Lucid there.
Me?
No, I might have qualified for a payout on Lucid. You almost. Yeah. Let's see. Right now, account 10,002 is at 53.9. 53. Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, we did. We qualified for a payout on this one, and we're close to qualifying for a payout on the other one. All right, that's good. That's good. That's very, very good. We're almost at 3K on our live account for TPT. That's good. We put in a nice day. Yeah, I'm glad we took the profits when we did there, back, because they're pulling back.
Yeah.
Check out the crazy hour count on the NQ. Thanks, Gordo. Khan telling me to move the stop. Thank you, Khan. Yeah, we'll get to 100K one of these days. You messaged me in a Discord regarding the bot safe? Okay, no problem, brother. Thank you, Khan. I appreciate it, brother. I saw a little bit of the writing on the wall up here right before the 740 level. But I'm pretty sure she's still going to hit 740. But I got close enough. I mean, we got close enough. That was a trade from 570, 570s, 572, 570s, roughly around there. I don't know how many points that was. Can I measure? Let me measure, man. Okay. How many points did we do on that move? All right, not bad. 160 points on that move. I was trying to bang out the 740 level, but she was having a little bit of resistance up here, so I didn't like the way it was looking, shaping up. I saw some things I didn't like on the 15-second. But it is what it is. Okay. Don't tell me my keyboard's doing this thing again. What time did we get into that trade? Let's see, it was over here. That was at 10 a.m. And it's currently 11, so it was almost an hour. Cool. All right. Trying to keep track of when I took those trades. That way I can edit it later because I know people want to see them. Wow, Bitcoin's ripping. Let's take a quick look at BTC on that 4 hour. I was looking for Bitcoin to come down to this level here at 77.78, but she may not. Mag 7 are holding this market up bigly. Looks like they want to have these 71s at some time today. Nvidia took off like a rocket ship. This is what helped us out here on that move. Oil's just been consolidating, so it's just on a holding pattern. Check out the RTY. RTY looks like it wants a target of 28.71. YM looks like it wants a target of... actually, YM looks like weak. YM looks weak. Looks like they want to come down. 49.818. Gold's still kind of chopping. Not really knowing what it wants to do. We did come and hit this level though. We have the indicator marked out right here at 46.72. Came in, hit that level. Now she's bouncing, and she could possibly come up to test these levels at 47.25 now. By the way, guys, all these levels are automatically drawn on here with the indicator. If you guys want to try out the indicator for yourselves, by all means, check out the free indicator first. See if you guys like the quality of our indicators. Go ahead to Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit over on TradingView. All you got to do is give us a like here with the rocket ship and go all the way down. Leave us a comment. Leave us a comment, and then you can add it to your favorites, and then go ahead and use it. It measures a lot of good volume indications. It gives you the volume on the candles. It gives you key levels. It gives you the momentum volume wave that you see here on the chart. It gives you the weighted, the volume weighted average price with standard deviations. It gives you the average true range, the best average true range that I've seen, the best ATR indicator I've seen on TradingView. And yeah, if you guys like it, you guys consider scaling up to the pro version. You can try it out for 7 days for only $7, and after that you can get it for as little as $2 or less a day. If you get the lifetime, we do have to the end of the month 20% off lifetime. You guys go over to our website, you can get 20% off the lifetime with STC20. Just go over to our website and you'll see the option for lifetime. See the option for lifetime. Got to update our Tradezella too. Good thing we took profits when we did. Looks like the market did pull back here, but I still think she's going to go higher. So look for in here, guys. I would look for another trapped short indication. If you see another TS indication somewhere in here, then that's probably going to give us that leg up to 782. I'd like to take it with some evals, possibly. US clears Nvidia H200 chip sales to 10 China buyers going up high. Oh, that's why. Think we want to get back down to 400s on the NQ? Not necessarily, man. I think we're going to find support somewhere in here, possibly as low as the VWAP. This is where our invalidation zone is on the indicator. Indicator has marked out 595 as invalidation. So we could come as low as here, tap whatever liquidity is in here, then shoot right back up to 783. So my auto trader is probably going to get into a trade here at some point because I have it set to trade these MOAS ranges. So this is the first MOAS range we've gotten today since the open. So I'm excited to see what the auto trader does here. This is going to be interesting. Oh, no, that's not a theory. That's fact, Jerome Kim. There's a theory out there that the NVIDIA sales to Singapore are already being smuggled to China. That's been going on for the longest time. Yeah, that's just like black market That's all that is. If anything, it will tap 580 area again. Yeah, because their AI, China's AI developers are using NVIDIA chips. So yeah, how did they get their hands on it? You know, NVIDIA can't do it, but they can sell to Singapore. Gary, I'm not sure what you mean. Can you overlay my platform on yours? CMC Markets. Is CMC Markets a different platform? Is that like a different trading software? Guys, if you like the trade that we put on earlier, if you made some money with it, or if you just enjoyed it, just hit the likes. We'll try to do a giveaway today if we can get try to do a giveaway today if you guys hit 100 likes. Thanks, Rooster. I appreciate the comments. B High says thank you. Good day for NVIDIA. It is a good day, kid. Broward. Guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. We are back here. Thanks, Darlik. China Xi offered to help on Iran. Okay. Sam B's trying to get a 30K day. Oh, you got this, man. Anthropic forms $200 million partnership with Gates Foundation. Yeah, did you guys hear also Google is teaming up with SpaceX to launch data centers out in space. This is true. This is truth, guys. I'm being honest here. I'm not making this up. I'm actually take this with some evals. I might take this with some evals. Let me see if I can edit my Lucid evals. Evals. Update group. Create a new group. Add trading group. This one. The followers. Yeah, it looks like the longs are coming in. Okay. All right, I'm long right now, up to, let's try 740, 750, 750, 780. Yeah, my auto trader probably took this trade here. 676. Stop. Let's see if the auto trader took that trade. It did not. Okay. I think this move here could give us a pop up to 780. Buyers are still very active here. ES looks like it's searching for that next level up at 75.30, and then after that we had a level of 75.37. Markets are ripping and roaring today on Trump's visit to China. Is Tradecopia really $49 a month? It's like $30 a month with the discount. What's up, Kyle? Under U.S. exports, it is illegal to ship items in an approved country for those items then go to a banned country for organization. Yeah, but it still happens. It still happens. What's going on, Khan? Did you need me? All right, NQ is pushing here, guys. This is that indication I was waiting for here to add into this trade. Let's see if the market can keep pushing. I'm thinking it could keep pushing up to 730s, 740s, 750s. We got 780 up here on the MOAS target on the 1 minute. Damn, Jerome, you still got those 6,000 NVIDIA shares? Okay, gotcha, Con. Hey Siri, how much is 6,000 NVIDIA shares worth today at today's current prices? Well, speak. Very close to squeezing higher based on meta-analysis, says Gordo. You think we can get up to 30,000 today, Gordo? Elon completely stole Xi's banquet and became the main attraction across Chinese media. CEO Li Jian and Tim Cook asked for selfies. Elon instantly posed with the funniest faces. Yeah, he's such a clown. Let's see if we can go ahead and break that 740 level. That's where I had my first TP earlier, or my last TP earlier, but I took it manually because it was stalling out. I don't think it was worth the wait. An extra half an hour for 2-3 points. I don't think it was worth it. Waiting for the key channel break. I don't know what keeps happening to my YouTube, man. Keeps telling me that we don't have enough data. Not receiving enough data. I have no clue why. Guys, just take a look at how clean that trade was. After the MOAS told you where it wanted to go, you just look for trapped traders in the opposite direction. And it's a very clean setup. A very clean setup. Market is very bullish today, so I wouldn't be looking for too many shorts. See if we can break the 780. That would be nice. We hit so many targets on the upside here with the ES. Let's take some of these off. And Q just hit the 740 mark. We have 750 next. And after that, we got 780. If you guys aren't using the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, what are you waiting for, man? Look at these entries. For $7, you can try this out yourselves and see if it works. That's crazy. These indications are beautiful. Huge resistance taken out. Yeah, I see that. I see that. All right, another level bites the dust here. This next level here is 750, looking pretty darn good. Squeeze is imminent, says Gordo. That's what it's looking like. Looking real squeezy. ES is looking strong for a push here. NQ might do the same, might rocket up to 780. The 15-second even gave us a target right now that's 773 on a 15-second. Thanks, Therese, for joining over on TikTok. Appreciate you. See if we can get continuation here on the move up. Buyers are still looking real strong. As these candles are developing, guys, I'm reading the delta on the 1 minute and the 15 second just to make sure we stay bullish. If at any point I see that the bulls are losing steam or losing momentum, I get out. It might be the wrong thing to do because, you know, market is really, really strong today, and it will continue to push even closer to 30K. But better a bird in the hand than two in the bush is what they say. You guys like birds in your hands? Oh, by the way, that Chinese dog never takes a day off, man. He was here laughing at me earlier. He's like, I made you take profit. Ha, 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 ha. We come right back and take that level. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha, ha. Stupid dog. One of these days, I'm going to get that laser gun to work. I'm going to get that laser gun to work, and I'm going to shoot that dog right between the eyes. And he's going to say, pew, 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 pew. I'm going to get him one day. I don't promote animal cruelty, but that Chinese dog always gets me. All in long, says Gordo. All in long. I love you long time. 825 is a Bollinger Band. Top of Bollinger target. Come on, NQ. Keep pushing, baby. Just keep pushing it. Just keep pushing it. Make me proud, NQ. Make me proud, baby. Make me proud. Pushing good. You're pushing good, NQ. You've been a good girl today. Just blow on it like the game cartridge. Maybe we have to, Kristen. Nvidia game makes a push to 240. Oh, Nvidia's gonna make a push to 240. Wow. You heard it here first, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a TP coming up here soon. Hopefully it hits. It doesn't play the games, and the dog comes out to laugh at me again. Oh, ES just hit another major target here. I didn't even realize it. Wow, damn. 75.32, and Q's still struggling to hit our 780 level. Hopefully it does it soon though. Ain't nobody got time for that. Come on, Q baby. Don't lose that strength on me, girl. Don't lose that strength on me. Please don't do it. Please don't do it, NQ. Keep up the momentum to the upside, baby. Keep that momentum to the upside. Definitely ain't taking an L on this. That much I'll tell you. Oh, come on, NQ, knock it off. Are you serious right now? NQ's giving us a trap long indication here. Right before missing our. That dog is working. That dog is putting in overtime today. This is not looking good. Not looking good at all. Should not be missing our targets like this. It's not good stuff here. She's getting real trappy here. Getting real trappy. Let's see what the 15 seconds says here. 15 seconds starts giving us more downside. We might have to get out. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Step in, buyers. Damn it. They're playing games. They are playing games here. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that's so annoying. NQ, why are you so annoying? She literally came up to like right before my TP. I got a 773 TP. She came up to 772 and then decided to turn around, poke it out. Even white boys got a shout. Come on, NQ, go! We need you at 773, baby. Let's go. Push, NQ, push. Don't be such a retard. Let's go. Oop, I can't say that. I mean, don't be such a slow person. I can't say that on TikTok. Don't be a Ricky Retardo. That's what I meant. Come on, baby. Let's go. Push it here, NQ. Meeting with China's over. Wonder when will... Oh, yeah. They just kicked me off? They just kicked me off. TikTok just kicked me off. Yeah, they're funny. As soon as I said that R word, they kicked me off. They're too funny. I can't believe it. Yo, as soon as I said that one word, they like, oh, no, you can't say that. You can't say that word. Oh my God, man. Yo, they're crazy over on TikTok. I'm about to get a live access suspended. You can go live, join a live as a guest starting from May 17th. View details. Are you serious? Yo, they just suspended my account on TikTok. Bro, they're too much. I can't make this up. I can't even make this up. Bro, they are the worst. So I know now the word I can't use. There's no freedom of speech on TikTok. It's too funny. Yeah, I caught myself. Well, at least now I know I can't say that word because then I get shadow banned. Madness? Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, how do these other people do it? Someone is a retard. I feel like the approach is a bit illogical. That doesn't make much sense. This is very clever. That is rather mindless. It's dumb. Maybe you can't say dumb either. This is nonsensical. Bro, I don't understand, bro. TikTok is something else. They're monitoring my life for the use of the word retard. Imagine these other streamers who curse all day long. They're fine. If you say the F word a million times, you're good. But if you say retard, no, that's hate. That's hate speech. That's hate speech, bro. What you hating for? That's hate speechiness. Bro, they got their dog on me. Those Chinese people over at TikTok. They got their dog on me. The people who are watching me on TikTok were like, bro, they got him. Got him. They got him. Yeah. It's unfair. Gordo said, I'm rich. Yeah, we're having a really phenomenal day here too. If we get the 773 hit, we'll be made in the shade. I feel like she's gonna keep going. What do you guys think? Any signs of stopping? I don't think so, right? she took our TP. Very good. We're up almost $500 on each account here. And I think that's where I'm going to call it. Well, I mean, as far as my trades go. I'm halfway to passing these accounts, so that's good. So we made another $1,000 on that. Let me just... I'm going to delete this. We're good. We're good there, guys. Thanks for subscribing, MJ. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Looks like we're about to hit our target here on the NQ. I'm at 780. Guys, I couldn't do this without the indicator. I'm telling you. The indicator has mapped out the entire chart for me. This entry from here was magic. This entry that I missed here, but then I caught it in... No, never mind. This entry that I caught in here on the pullback and then added to right here when we got the power long gave us a real nice trade here. We took one off when we made this initial run up, then took the second one off when we hit six. What did we hit? I think we took it off at, what did I say we wanted? Yeah, I think we took it off here at 627. Yeah, we took it off here at 727. So we did really well. The indicator called it out for us perfectly here. Early in the morning, I didn't want to take the initial long, even though we had the signal of all these trap shorts here. Beautiful trap shorts right before the bell. This right here, to me, I thought we were going to get maybe a little chop and maybe a sweep of this 447 level first, but we never did. She just took off. So the indication here where we got the power long, the MOAS power long, was also spot on money. Gave us a target of right here. But if you would have held the runner, you would have done really well at this. And yeah, then we got back in here. So the indicator, guys, I know some of you are like, oh, I don't use indicators. I just use, candlesticks. I'm telling you, you're missing out, man. Order flow is king. And if you can simplify your order flow onto the chart like we do here, I mean, simplicity at its finest. Yeah, I'm just wondering why we're not in this trade. Yeah, this is weird. Something is off. Yes, things gonna keep pushing. Sam B says, I love the indicator. Who will be your next guest on the stream? It's been a while. I was hoping you, man. When's the next day you have time off? I'd like to get Khan on here too. I know Khan has, I've asked him in the past, but you're very mysterious. Gotta watch that R. Yeah, we can't say that R word. How do you the indicator? What do you mean, Kellis? How do you use the indicator? If you want to learn how to use the indicator, we have the Smooth Trader Concepts cheat sheet that you can get for free over in our Discord. Go under Smooth Trader Concepts and you can download the cheat sheet. That's number one. Number two, you can go down to the below the video, this one that you're watching right now. In here, you're going to see two videos. One that's a masterclass and the other one that says how to use the indicator system. It's a playlist. Or it's one video out of a playlist. So yeah, that's how you can kind of learn how to use it. But we have a full-blown trading, course on how to use it once you do get the indicator. So by signing up to the indicator, not only do you get the indicator, the trading course, but you also get free access to our live trading community where some of our most skilled traders trade every single day. And you can, share your screen, ask questions, do all the stuff you got to do right in there. So you get a lot you get a big bang for your buck. It's not just the indicator. Safe said, managed to create a bot based on Sam B on your strategy. Nice, nice, Safe. Running it on demo account. Here's the results. Caught the stomach bug, says Sam B. Pretty cool. Really can't see the the results yet. Safe. There you go. How are we making it on the lights, guys? No, you're good, Safe. But really can't see. What are the results? Which ones? What did you? What are you getting so far from it? 46 likes, guys. We're halfway there. We got 100 people watching. 46 likes. Man, I can't stream till the 17th on TikTok, bro. They are the worst. I'm serious. I'm about to call Elon and tell him to put a word in for me with ByteDance. You guys need to knock it off. Knock it off with smooth already. Oh, man. Karen's, I tell you. Karen's, look. 780s right here. And he pulled back right before it. TS and Green Diamond comes up without TL in between. It sends a webhook request master. Yeah. I know that. But what are the results that you've gotten so far? Oh, nice, Safe, beautiful, man. I'm telling you guys, the indicator is it has so many different dynamics. You can use it in so many different ways. Sam B started using it with just the diamonds. Now he's incorporating the trap shorts and trap longs with the diamonds. Good job, man. Good job on the automation there, guys. That is a thing of beauty. Yeah, I got to work on my strategy right now because it is not working. Something happened. It caught a bug. It caught a bug. You remember the guy that threw the metal ball at the Cybertruck window? Yeah, what about him? That's your cousin, Captain Doink? No, no way. Seriously? Is he like Elon's right hand man? Guys, I gotta work on something real quick here in the background. Market has really slowed down here. Target's at 780. I'm taking this time right now to work on my auto trader that is malfunctioning right now for some reason. I tried to get cute the other day and forward test 2 different strategies, and I think by doing that I might have messed up the original code. Here we go for that move right back up, possibly here to 783. All right, we're getting a little bit of a push here. It's going. Khan says, Umar Ashraf did a roundtable with 50 unprofitable traders on YouTube. Really? That's got to be an interesting one. Sam B says he didn't stay consistently green until he started using the STC indicator for my confirmations. Wow, bro, that's a huge compliment, man. Blart says, Smooth, send it over. I will fix it. Thanks, Blart. I think I'm getting the I'm getting to the bottom of it. Kind of stuck in this range here. Yeah, a little bit. I had a dream like 2 nights ago that we were in the 29,900s to 30K at E&Q and dumped hard for a bit until stuff recovered eventually. Yeah, I think she may have a huge, I was thinking the same thing, Samby. She's probably going to have a huge sell-off right before 30K. And it was a bearish market for a while. Where's Tori when you need her? Yeah, that's funny. You're watching it now? It's pretty sick. That's cool, bro. TradeView, why are you giving me a problem? I mean, Tradeday. Tradeday, why you give me a problem? All right, guys, let me just focus on this thing here, okay? I'll be back with you guys in a second. All right, I guess what happened exactly to 45. Yeah, she's still going here. Possibly get this pop now. And keeps going. 783 coming up right away. All right, looks like we're going. I'll be there in a few minutes. ES won't stop. ES just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going and going. What's wrong with my keyboard, man? Okay, we got the target here at 75.36 on the ES. Next target here on the NQ would be that 780 level. Take care, Sambi. Here comes the squeeze higher. Yeah, it looks like it. No, don't short, Ken. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, brother, but that would be financial suicide. If you feel like you missed the move, dude, just wait for a pullback. If it doesn't come, then tomorrow's another day. I thought that I missed this move this morning too, man. When we got this 200-point ripper here, I was pretty upset. Waited for the pullback, and then we were able to get in at these levels. I was able to get into another long here at this level. So wait for a pullback. There would have been another good entry here as well at this trap short area. But just wait for a pullback now, bud. Do I trail stop? The most I do is move my stop to break even, but I got to be in lots of profits to do that. Because I hate choking my trades and then letting, because when I take a trade, it's because I have a high conviction that it's going to go to my target. So if I choke it and it goes to my target, I get pretty pissed. So the most I do is I move it to break even. You're going to win that Tradeify Cup? There you go, Joey. I just want to beat Patrick. I'm going to go head to head with Patrick. He's the outlaw that I want to. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Who should I go up against? Let's go to Tradeify's website and see what outlaw you guys think I should go up against. Oops. Oops. Why do I do that 3 times? Here we go. Never mind. It's right there. All right. Let's see let's see what outlaw I can go up against. All right, which one of these varmints can we go up against? If you guys want to check out the Tradeify Cup, you can join for free if you use the link that is pinned down below, or if you go to our profit matrix, there is a link here as well for Tradeify. The link is right there, or there's a link down below in this video. It'll bring you over to Tradeify. Here you can get a free evaluation account with Tradeify for the World Cup they're having, or the Traders Cup they're having. It starts next week, I think. Let me see who I can go up against. Who can we go up against? I know there's some people. I don't think they have them here yet, Grand Cup. I'm Loose Smooth Trader, by the way. You guys can find me here. Can we go up against each other, or it's only the head-to-head? So this is head-to-head, right? Qualifiers, head-to-head. Okay, so it starts May 17th, so that's on Monday, I think. We start with a 50K balance, end of day 2,500. 1 mini is the most we can use. Okay, I can deal with that. Oh, you can go. Okay, so stage 2 is going to be a free-for-all. Grand Cup introduces a head-to-head knockout format. Qualify in stage 1, then go on a 1-on-1 against another trader. Each trader until one champion remains. That's pretty cool. We've also added 24 outlaws. Featured traders drop directly into the brackets with bounties of 5,000 or more on their heads. Eliminate one, and the bounty is yours. That's pretty cool, even if you don't make it to the later rounds. That's awesome. That is really cool. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go out and get one of them scoundrels. We're gonna get them, guys. We're gonna use the STC to get them dirty varmints. You're gonna win it, huh? You're gonna go against me, Joey? I don't think you get to pick. Yeah, knowing yourself and how you trade is very important. It is. Can you trade other accounts at the same time? Yeah, you can copy trade. All right, let's see if we can get this little pop here. Come on, little pop. Come on, little pop. John B had an incredible day today. Posted over on our Discord. Let's see what he got. John B, how much did you make, John B? John B had a really good day today. It was a good, yesterday was an easy day. I just screwed up. I got to the charts late and I was trying to play catch up and I didn't listen to the chart. I listened to my bias. So I still battle with that. From time to time. Let's see the P&L. Okay, yeah, the P&L over in our Discord. You guys can see that John B today put in a day, quite a day he put in here. I think he made like, woof, man, this guy made some whop. Probably made like 5 grand or something. I can't really add this up in my head, but anybody wants to go over there, congratulate John. SDC, baby. Yeah, great job. Shout out to John. And shout out to this TP that's about to be taken out here at 780. Yeah. Once we hit this TP here, guys, I might just say a prayer and go have lunch and work on my auto trader and a couple other things I got to work on here. I think I'm done trading for the day. Those longs were good. Anybody was anybody able to catch any of these longs from the trap short indications? I mean, it's trap short indication here, here, and down here. These were money. If you guys are able to catch it here on the open, I think not financial advice, 3 toes. I forget his latest name. He was calling it out here. So yeah, it's a really strong signal. Yeah, the bounty thing seems really cool. Damn, she just missed our TP there by a hair. Little rejection there, says Jerome. Caught it in the open, gave back the double top. Gave back a double top. Gave it back a double top. What do you mean you gave it back? You shorted? Yeah, we're getting trap longs on both the ES and the NQ right now. Mucho trap long. But I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it for 1 second. Push it here, NQ. Thank you, Sandy. Oh, wow. Oh, you gave back a small amount? Okay, okay. Yeah, it's better to find out you're wrong quickly. Yeah, it's better to find out you're wrong immediately. BTC monster time? Yeah, I was waiting for this move back up. Let me see if it's time for me to go long yet. Oof, but Jesus. It's too late now. Should have probably went in long on the 30-minute indication here. We had trap longs on the 30-minute. I mean trap shorts here on the 30-minute. Look at the trap short on the 30-minute on Bitcoin, guys. It works on every asset that has order flow. Look at that, trap short right there. Beautiful this morning for that rocket ship. We had it down here too. We had it here too, so I could have went long here again, but I just didn't trust it. We had it again here, rocket ship time. Damn it. I missed out on this move. I was waiting for a move just a little bit lower, but it never came. That sucks. She's gonna keep going much higher. Would love to see a pullback, but probably ain't gonna happen. Why does it give false signals for TL? They're not false. They're not false. This is not false. This is really happening. But you got to remember, Jack, look at the size of your green wave. Do you want to take shorts when you have this much momentum to the upside? You do have trap longs here, and you're creating a whole section, a whole area of trap longs here. Now, because of this, it could be a good chance that on the higher time frames, maybe on like the 5 or maybe the 30, we'll create a trap long signal there too. And that's really when you got to open up your eyes. But what the indicator is telling you here is 100% correct. What it's telling you is that buyers are absorbing sellers on the delta. Limit order buyers absorbing sellers on the market orders. Okay. But then on the next candle, sellers are pushing, which means that these buyers that were here might be getting trapped. Same thing happened here. Same thing happened here. Same thing happened here. Same thing keeps happening, right? So what that tells us is this is a very tough area. Now, do you want to short this? No, absolutely not. What you want to wait for, what I would wait for, is for one of two things. And this is what I'll leave you guys with. You want to wait for the wave to start to pinch off or even cross over. Once you see it start to cross over and then you see a TL, trap long, then you know it's go time. Okay? Now, since you have all these trap longs up here, this is a perfect place to put your stop loss up here, because you know they're going to protect this area once it starts rolling over. If you don't have that rollover yet, then stay away from it. Stay away from that, okay? Now, the other indication is if you get a MOAS power short somewhere in here, if you get a MOAS power short, then wait for the MOAS power short to confirm. After you wait for the MOAS power short to confirm, the very next TL after that, that's your entry. Let me show you. We'll go back in time and we'll look for one so you can see exactly what that would look like. Look at it right here. I didn't have to go far at all. I did not have to go far at all. Look at your context. The wave has rolled over. We got a MOAS power short right here. Look at that MOAS power short right there. You see it, right? Now look what happened right after that. Trap longs. After you get the trap long signal, your stop goes right above that and you shoot for the TP on the MOAS. How easy is that? That's the easiest setup in the world. Bang, 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 and take your money. That's it, man. So the indicator is not giving false signals. It's telling you the right thing, but it can't account for the future. Nothing is going to predict the future. You got to use your confirmations. You got to use different pieces of analysis to put together. Do I want to short into this massive green wave? It's like trying to break through a bank vault, you know, like the door is 12 inches thick, you know. You would be able to do it if it was a flimsy door, but if it's a, you know, 12-inch steel door like this, you're not going to want to do it. So what it's telling you is it's having resistance and it's preparing to possibly go sideways for a while in here. And once it goes sideways for a while, it might start to pinch off. And then once it pinches off and you get a power short, then you get into the trade. So there's nothing wrong here with it telling you. It even told you right here. You know, I don't suggest trading against the trend. That's one of the deadliest things you can do. You don't need to be the first one to the move. You did get a trap long indication here. You did get a nice little pullback from it. But would that have been the trade I was looking for? Absolutely not. The trade I was looking for was this one. Was that one. We entered that one and then we got into this long. So pick your poison, man. You don't have to get every tick out of the market. You just got to get the highest probability ones. Hopefully that makes sense. No such thing. Guys, I'm going to say a quick prayer for you guys and I'm going to get out of here. We got our TP already. So I'm going to get out of here. Father God, we thank you for today. We thank you for this opportunity, Lord, to be here with this community and provide hope for those who are looking for a career change, Father, and provide a place for them to come and feel safe and learn, Lord. I appreciate this community you've given us, Lord. And we do it, Father, to honor you and to glorify your name, Lord, and let you know that through you all things are possible. Without you, we get emptiness, Father, and we get no meaning in life, Father. We can have everything in the world, Father. If we do not have you, Father, we are very poor in spirit, Lord, and that's all that matters. Father, we thank you for giving us the opportunity today, Lord, to spread your word, Father, your grace, and the fact that, Lord, every day you make us whole and you make us new. Lord, I pray for this community and anyone here who is having a rough day, rough time, rough week. Trading is the hardest thing we could do, Father, but it's a very rewarding thing once we can do good things with it, Lord. We pray, Father, that anyone here who's going through a tough time mentally, a tough time financially, and a tough time with their health, Father. We pray over them and their families. We pray over the relationships, Father, that they come into contact with every day, their spouses, their children, their parents, Father. I pray that they be healed. Those relationships always be centered around you. Lord, I pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, amen, guys. Amen, amen. You got 320 with the bot. Nice job, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I got to go. I got to work on my bot now. And I will see you all tomorrow. So take care and God bless. And thank you guys for being here with me today. I really appreciate you all. Real quick before you go, you guys want to use the indicator for free, go ahead and use the free version, which is the Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit over on TradingView. All you got to do is like it and leave a comment, and then you'll be able to use it. Add it to your favorites. If you want to use the Pro version, which allows you to see all the signals and the delta, check the link that's in the bio. Check the link that's in the chat and in the comment section. Click on that link for the indicator. You can use it for 7 days for $7. If you love it, you can use it for very, very cheap. Every single day, it's less than $2 if you want to go there. If you want to use the lifetime version, we do have a 20% off. 20% off with code STC20. Ends at the end of this month, not February. I got to update that. And check out our prop firm matrix, guys, where you can get the best deals on our prop firms that we're currently trading with: Apex, Tradeday, Tradeify, and Lucid. All the links are here, and all the accounts that they have available you can check out right here as well. Compare them next to each other and see which one is the right one for you. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you being here with me, and God bless. Take care.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this Smooth Trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.